fresh.
And welcome to Fresh. You're hanging with the cast of Pring It On. Here's what's coming up on the show.
Your next word is 685 through your speakers.
Next.
Six.
Next.
Six.
Six.
Why'd you leave us to go to London?
You fly to the furthest place
to get away from these two.
We're the cast of Pring It On. Keep it fresh.
Okay.
Of course we're Polyfest kids. We repeated school just for Polyfest.
Of course we're Polyfist kids. We dance like this in the nightclubs. Shoo!
We're Polyfist kids. Of course we wear Kathmandu jackets to watch our groups perform.
Of course we're Polyfist kids. We lie to our parents so we can stay at practice longer.
Of course we're Polyfist kids. We sing even though nobody asked. Muaia.
Wow.
If you grew up in Tamaki Makaurau in Auckland, it's our story. It's the story of every kid that grew up in Polyfest. Auckland, proud story.
It follows the story of a young girl named Penina.
The new student at a new school in South Auckland, she joins the Samoan group. She auditions to become the Taupou. Everyone hates on her, everyone turns on her, and then she leads her school to victory, and she kind of realizes she needs to make peace with her mum, and she needs to be comfortable in her identity.
Yeah, we're really lucky to have each other as mother and daughter.
Polyfest isn't just about dancing. It's about cultural identity.
Cultural identity. You are not a true Samoan.
Oh, must be nice. She never taught me, but it's my fault I can't. I'm finding my character really... I feel like we get along. I can somewhat relate to what she experiences, coming from a strict family.
Competition is tough. It's all about power.
When we have Polyfest, it's life or death for some of these kids because Polyfest is the biggest event on the Auckland calendar. Just as Jesus died on the cross, you must die for Samoan.
Yeah, I think for me personally, when I was asked to be a part of it, naturally, because I've been involved in Polyfest, I couldn't say no.
Same as me, I used to tutor once upon a time, and so when Licky had asked me, it was a nice way to relive those moments.
Yeah, I'm similar as well. I did Samoan group for St. Peter's College, Mountain Road, thank you very much. And when I got asked to jump on, I was just keen as.
All right, Moana, it's Penina.
What about Katrina? What I love about it is being a mean girl because it's totally opposite to, the character's definitely opposite to what I...
She's so
Are you sure? Opposite to what I am in real life. Remember, your hands are like a light sprinkle, like droplets of rain, you know?
Yeah, not this hideous splash the water like some of you do.
I tutored Polyfest for more than 10 years, and I decided to put all those memories and everything into a script. Because everyone sees the nice, pretty performance at the end at Polyfest, but no one sees the drama and the heartache and the struggle, what it takes to actually get there to the Polyfest stage.
Samoan group is priority over everything else. Polyfest is life.
Polyfest is life.
The music in the show is pretty much a recollection of all of our favorite hits from our Polyfest archives from the time that we taught Polyfest. And of course it wouldn't be a Samoan show, it wouldn't be a hit if we didn't have some of those Samoan bangers in there, eh?
Bob jams your parents dance to when they're all out.
We wanted to stick to
the traditional instruments instead of having a drum kit or like a bass guitar, keyboard. We wanted to just keep the guitars
And percussion.
percussion like pake, apa, and the bass drum. Eh?
Yeah.
Just very colourful, very vibrant, and there's a lot of good feel moments in there. It's loud, it's proud, it's energetic, it's brown, it's us.
Talofa, manai Luciano Leilua from Toa Samoa.
Talofa, I'm Gordon Tong.
Today, we're playing Read My Lips.
Round one, fight.
The first word is kaula kaua.
Tawa.
Please, kaula kaua.
Kawa.
Your next word is nei whaftai.
Nei
Le ai.
papatai.
Your next word is awale pese. Le pese.
I want a pizza.
Awale pese.
I want a pizza.
Your next word is pakua moa.
Samoa. Makua.
Pa.
Pa sheep.
Moa. Yeah, pakua moa.
Makua.
Your next word is 685 through your speakers.
Next.
Six.
685 for your speaker. 685 on radio. Your first word is up the toa.
Up the toa.
Oh. Your next word is shoulder charge.
Shoulder charge.
Next one is sapa sui.
Oh, sapsui.
You know why? You know the time. Next word is Owai Malipo.
Owai
Ma.
Oh, malipo.
Next one is Awale Fefe.
Awale fefe.
Next one, we stay ready.
Quick. We? Yeah. We sang ready.
Stay.
Oh, we stay.
We stay ready. Ready.
And the winner of Read My Lips is Luciano!
We've been together.
From HHI, Silver. This was in 2011. And this one actually came first.
Yeah, this was the year that we competed against each other. Really? No, we were like...
Welcome back to Fresh, where the art is arting and the math is mathing, because 4 + 4 is 8. And these girls know a little bit about that.
Sup, I'm Corbin.
I'm Chantal. I'm Emma.
And we are the Huch family. And today you're in
Our world. Haere mai, ki te whare.
That doesn't make sense.
We're currently in our home in Greyland, and we are probably one of the last islanders left on these streets. It's also been a home for not only our family, but friends as well.
And forever grateful that our grandparents decided to migrate here to New Zealand to create better opportunities for us. Me and Emma are 2 of 3 kids to our parents, but there's about 7 of us all together. Like, if you know island families, mum and dad bring up all the other nieces and nephews. And our connection to Corbin is like our Huch family tree is like the branches of dew.
So we were all very young, and our Auntie Mafa, she just one day wanted to start a dance crew. We actually all started dancing at church. just doing like church performances and stuff. I think she just kind of saw potential in all of us, even though we didn't see it at the time. It took us a while. Yeah, and Auntie Mafa just started a crew and we recorded Little Saints, and from there, yeah, we just stuck at it, and that's where we all started together.
Yeah, Little Saints, I think, holds a very special place in our hearts. It's where everything started for us. We're jamming at birthdays, family functions, and from there, she started entering us into competitions.
Hi, my name is Zane and Emma, and I'm 5 years old.
And it kind of just really grew from there. I don't think we ever thought that it was going to be as big as what it became. An opportunity for us to be guys with our cousins.
And stay off the streets.
Yeah, and get out of the house, because it took us everywhere.
This is a medal from HHI, silver. This was in 2011. And this one actually came first.
Yeah, this was the year that we competed against each other. Really? No, we were like, love you, Carla. Yeah, it was the first year that we competed at the same time at HHI, and yeah, I was with Bubblegum, we came first, and these guys came second. But for me, it was more special that I got to compete against my cousins and have them place too. Yeah. And like we were like side by side on the platforms. That was more for me than us coming first.
Why'd you leave us to go to London?
Did you fly to the furthest place to get away from these two? Nah, I moved to London just for more opportunities. Yeah, New Zealand is too small for me, unfortunately. So yeah, I moved all the way to London just to pursue, I guess, more of a journey as a choreographer. So I'm there at the moment working at a dance university called Shockout in Manchester.
So I started Street Woman Fighter 2 in June of last year, and it pretty much took up the rest of my year, which I was not expecting. And definitely a eye-opening experience as well, because I've never been to Korea and I've never stepped foot into like the K-pop world and the many opportunities that you can get over there. The show itself was very new to me, never been on like a reality TV show, so kind of just took everything on the chin and just went with it. But it was really fun and definitely learned a lot of things.
Little Saints is still running as a crew under Saints Dance Academy as a dance company. So we have multiple crews within that academy. And I'm honoured and privileged to be the director of that company now. And Little Saints has been running since 2006. We've been in the dance scene for a long time.
We're the longest running
dance crew.
Dang. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fun fact.
Yeah, this goes, I go TTC. All I'm doing is brushing off my shoulders. I go, to go,
everyone, I'm Skivi. I'm full Samoan and a full-time student here at the University of Auckland, and welcome to my area. Let's go! This is Albert Park, where I come to decompress, to Bible study, and of course, exercise. I usually do about 100 squats, 100 burpees, 100 Russian splits. So come join me. This is C Space. Space, also known as Cultural Space, just a place where our Pacific Island students can study, can relax. It's really a safe haven for us, and where our student groups organize. We're here at the Fale Pacifica, where I work at the university, and I love it because it reminds me of home. It reminds me of Samoa, and it creates a sense of belonging here at the university for students like me, for Samoan students. Thank you for joining me today and letting me show you my area. So far, so for Keep It Fresh.
Kia ora, tarafa lava, bulavanaka, whakalawhai atu, and welcome to a fresh new game show, Village Knockout. Du, du, du.
Welcome back to Fresh. Welcome back to the show of Pring It On.
Hi, we just want to say a couple words for...
Yeah, you do.
What?
You and him, they always do the twerk.
What? No, we don't.
Yes, you do. Good luck and Polyfist.
Kia ora, tarafa lava, bulavanaka, whakalawhai atu, and welcome to a fresh new game show, Village Knockout. Du, du, du. This is a game where two teams go head-to-head, competing in 2 mini-game rounds. But if there is a tiebreaker at the end, we will go to a sudden death match. Dun, dun, dun. That was dry. Okay, let's meet our challengers.
Talofa lava, my name is David Sintanielu. I am 25 years old and I'm an actor.
Talofa lava, my name's Edi Hana Eureka Filifilia. I'm 20 years of age and I'm an actor.
Kia ora, my name is Nia. I'm 24 and I'm a musician.
What's up, everyone? I'm Big Al. I'm 23 and I'm a musician.
It is now time for round 1. Teams will battle it out in a mini-game that we like to call Wrap It Up! Okay, so challengers will battle each other in a battle riff-off style, okay? You'll see. Grizzlies, you go first, yeah?
Got in my car and I wait for a drive.
A drive in the sky. Wow, so high.
So high, like the clouds up there.
Up there is where I wanna be.
Get on your podium. Get on your podium. Get on your podium. Okay, no. I'm gonna give that point to the musos because the musos rhymed the word and then you guys used the exact same word, which is not technically a rhyme, yeah? Okay, actors. We'll have you guys start off first, yeah?
All right. I went to the bakery to grab some pies.
Grab some pies to get me high.
To get me high up in the sky.
Up in the sky, I'm a guy.
I'm a guy and I love my pies.
I love my pies, but I should stop before I die.
Before I die, I should probably cry.
Probably cry. High.
Wow! Yes! Sorry, that's one to the actors. That's one to the actors. So that is 1-1 to both teams. This will be the deciding round for who takes it out. We'll have the musicians start first.
My favorite shape is a heart.
A heart? Wow, that's so great.
That's so great.
You know, technically, it was a nice line to end off here. Like, that's so great.
That's so great, yeah.
Yeah, like, that is a nice... So, you know what? I'd give this round to the actors. The winners of our Wrap It Up go to actors. Yeah. Our second game is called Prop Off. Woo! I will give the teams a prop, and they are to use the prop in any other way besides its intended use. Are you guys ready for the first prop?
Yes.
Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Yeah? Okay, so we'll give it to the first contestant.
Mom.
Yeah?
I'm still at home.
Oh, son, I forgot to put the gas in my car to pick you up.
Mom, this is the 5th time you've done it in a row.
The 5th time? I'm trying to find your dad.
You know what? Bye. Let's go, 80.
And I'm owning it tonight, my
To the back. That was good. That was good. I'm right. It's a bit much, yeah? Oh. 6 feet under. Dig that grave. I like it. A water bottle. That's very simple and yet that's effective.
I like it.
Okay, change it up.
Oh,
binoculars.
Do you see that? I can finally see my dad that left to get the milk and he didn't return.
Oh, that is a point and that is hitting close to home.
Wait, jump. Are you really jump?
I see.
No,
Point.
jump.
We love our PS5s. Is this another cream donut? Oh. I love it. Point. That's a point. Oh, bow tie. Point. I love it. Yeah? You ready?
Come on, Patrick.
Oh, jellyfishy! I like point. Oh, weed cutter. That is a definite point, and I know you do that for a living. Oh, Ngifoki! They would have cut you if it was a real knife, so no point. 15 more seconds left. Come on.
How's sound? Good? Can you hear me?
Yeah, sounding boom. Shout out to my boy. Okay, point.
Moe pepe
Oh, that's a point. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2.
So am I gonna see you again?
Oh! I give it.
I know it's on the floor.
That is a point in all of its forms. As you know, it was a tough 2 rounds, but nonetheless, we must find a winner. So this week's winner is Team Actors. Here you go. Okay, that is all from us here today, but join us next time as we battle it out in Village Knockout!
Come back next week for more Fresh.
It's time to start a new chapter.
Tonga's next top talent.
That's me!
And what's your talent?
My talent? Are you serious?
Malalele!
Tala Falava, and welcome to Read My Lips.
Whistle tone. Whistle tone.
Whistle tone.
Yeah. Perfect example of what not to do.